Hello friends, welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Space between pars tensa and anterior malleolar fold is bond Troll's anterior pouch. The the site exit of the site of exit of chorda tympani from the middle ear is through canal of Huggier.
for fissure of Santorini is cartilaginous opening which is present, and this will send this is connected to the parotid gland. So as a result, any infection from the ear can spread into the parotid gland. Then this is foramen of Hashke will be there, which is in a bony foramen which is seen. So yeah, thank you and thank you for watching.